Hello, this is Leslie Batchelder from the University Studies Program, and I'm going to show you today how to find and download and use a artifact of some kind. It could be an ePortfolio shell that a professor has created for you, or some other artifact that a professor has created for you to use and submit to them in PebblePad. So as you know, PebblePad consists of two parts. First is Pebble Plus. This is where we make the portfolios. This is the dashboard. The second part, which is kind of like if you've used other systems like D2L or Blackboard, that's what Atlas is. Okay, so you click on the blue ball and it will take you to another dashboard. Sorry, it's taking a minute, but we'll get there. Okay, so I am also a manager, or i.e. a professor, so there's two sides to the dashboard. You're only going to have the members dashboard, so you won't even see the manager's dashboard. And what you're going to see is your classes. Initially, you'll probably only have one class in PebblePad. Perhaps you'll have two, but I think that you won't have as many as you might have in D2L, which we've had for many years as a system. So here are um, the different courses that I'm enrolled in. And let's say here I'm a student in Shane's workshop. Let's go to Shane's workshop. Okay, so there's two things that you need to know about. When you create something and submit it for assessment, it will go into this workspace if you choose this workspace, right? And you can see I've submitted two things. And I can't see what other people have submitted, but if I'm the professor, I'm seeing all my students' submissions and when they submitted them, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now, really important to Atlas for you as a student is this link, resources. This is where your professor will leave anything they want you to download, copy, or just have access to. It could be a list of instructions, it could be some rubric that they've created, or it could be something like an ePortfolio shell. Here, that's what this is. This person is creating a teaching portfolio shell, so the kind of thing a professor would make if they were making an ePortfolio. So I, as a student, am going to copy this. I'm going to hit copy, and notice this little box comes up that says this asset will be copied to your asset store, right? Okay, so I did that. Now, if I go back to Pebble Plus and I look in my assets, just a second, there it is, my teaching portfolio copy. Now it's ready for me to jump in and fill in these various categories that my professor or instructor has made for me. So I can tell about myself, about my teaching practices, my teaching philosophy, you can see here. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to share it for assessment back to that space, which was Shane's, okay, where was that? Shane's, well, I'd have to go through a lot more because I have so many. But anyway, for you, it's going to be right here or right here, right? You're not going to have as many courses as I have in here because I manage a lot of courses. But so anyway, I'm going to submit this for assessment back to Shane's workspace, and then he'll see what I've done with the ePortfolio shell that he originally gave to me. So happy trails in PebblePad. Hope to see you in our PebblePad community.